Now I know you got a piece of wood like this in your shop that's kind of looking at you like you're kind of crazy and whatnot. I swear this one is giving me a face right now, and you can see the two eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Anyways, I'll be putting this piece of lame, bland, Blaine, whatever you want to call it, piece of wood to use and make it into something beautiful. And while you can sell this, I will not be selling it. I'll be making this and putting it in my house. But also, real quick, we do have a giveaway on this video. More about this later on. All right, gang, so the first things first, like I said, this thing is kind of rough, so we're gonna get it all nice and smooth and cleaned up. So we're gonna tap it into the planer. And before you say it, although you'll probably said it already, I will be building a cart soon, okay? It's just that I am extra with my stuff and I want everything to kind of look the same. So I'm trying to design everything around. 1 second. Sorry about that. I was trying to design everything around all the shop furniture that I have already. So it's just taking me a while to design it, but it's incoming. Until then, just pray for my back. That's really appreciated. All right, next step would be just to rotate your bevel to about 15 inches. It doesn't really matter that much, just based on what you prefer. And I'm not gonna cut this all the way through. I'm gonna probably stop like somewhere right here. You'll see what I'm talking about. I don't know, I actually don't like it like this. I'm gonna probably adjust the angle so it takes off a lot more. It's because it doesn't really look like it changed much. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at 30 inches. Yeah. I gotta move this over. And I did buy this PowerTech non-slip sanding pad. I'm sure most of you already know about it, but if not, I'm gonna drop a link to it in the description. Oh. Okay. If it's good, I'll drop a link in the description. If it's not, you won't see it. Oh gosh. I was so confused. I'm like, why is it not working? Because this is usually like it starts to work immediately. Very powerful. I need to put it I needed to put the sandpaper on there first for it to work. That's usually how it works. By the way, I'm definitely leaving a glowing review about this mat, dude. I know it's probably been around before I was born, but it's just crazy. I'm just now like learning about these things. I was sanding this piece, it didn't move once. This thing didn't move once. It's really solid. So if you don't have one, make sure you get one. They're fairly cheap. If I remember correctly, I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I think it was like $9 or something like that. Something along those lines. I can't remember. Don't sue me. All right, gang, I forgot that I had to clean up the edges on this thing because it's kind of rough. Okay, you can't. Okay, there you go. Yeah, it's kind of, well, this part isn't bad, but I'm gonna clean up the edges on this thing and I'm gonna create another 30-degree bevel on here. So, let's see. All right, so I bought these hooks that I'll be using. Come on, these hooks that I'll be using for the coats. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is a coat rack slash hanger thingamabob. Anyways, yeah, so I bought these, put these on there like that. There you go. Oh, that don't look too shabby, right? Yeah, that don't look too shabby. And now if you're thinking about doing something like this, full disclaimer, I actually spent money to buy this. They didn't give it to me for free, unfortunately. I bought it off Amazon. I believe it was around 16 bucks, so it's a little bit more on the pricier side. But I'm sure if you do have the time, you can make some hooks out of wood. I've seen plenty of people do it before, but I don't have the time, so I'd rather just bite the bullet and pay the 16 bucks and make it work. I just realized that I do have, dusty. I bought this some time ago to stain a bench that I had. I think I'm just gonna randomly go with this. I didn't plan that. This is just literally off the cuff, just pulling what I have off the shelf and see if it'll work. So yeah, I think this is what we're gonna use. Hopefully it turns out great. Now, I was gonna go up there and grab a flathead, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a flathead in this puppy. So let's open it up and see what we got. All right, here we go. CC tools. Power tools. Am I gonna find a screwdriver in here? Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Get out of here. Oh, okay. So we have like a multi-pack of sorts. This is nice. This is nice. And for the cost, oh crap. Okay. So we have the we got a drill in here. Sweet tea. Okay. Battery operated drill. Oh, okay. Hey, dude, this is not bad at all. Okay, you got 21 volts. It feels so smooth. Nice. I don't think you'll build a house with it, but you know. All right, so we got a hammer. Dude, this is a nice set. We got where's the battery charger at? Where's the battery charger? Wait. How do I charge a battery? Oh, this is cool. Oh, so you just, wow. I have to say that I didn't expect that. You know, all the other tools that I own, they always have like a dock charging station for that. So awesome. Didn't expect that. All right. So we got some drill bits over here. We got more drill bits. Okay. Looks like masonry bits over here. Oh, we got a tape measure. All right. All right. You can never have enough tape measures, actually. I do have a drawer full with tape measures. So sweet tea. To give this away, or to give the one that will be shipping directly from the company to you, I'll be going live on Monday. No, I'll be going live on Saturday, March 21st at around 7 p.m. I'll set up that link on my on my YouTube page so you know when and where to expect me. Well, you know where, it's on my channel, but when is around 7 o'clock. Now, to enter, all you have to do is just be live. So if I only have one individual live on my live, they'll be the one winning this puppy. But here's the kicker. If you are a channel member, and I believe my channel membership starts at $2.99, if you're a channel member, you definitely get an entry off the bat for this puppy. If you're a channel member and you're live, you get 2 entries to win this bad boy right here. So if you're not a channel member, definitely think about it. But of course, hit that subscribe button, and there'll be plenty of more free stuff to give away. So shout out to CC Power Tools for sending me this, and I'm so excited for Saturday. I really hope that you can win something. Also, if you're watching this video in like 2027, you're in the wrong year. The year that we're doing this is in 2026. If you're somehow watching this in 2027 or beyond, please say something. I will 1000% respond to your comment. Anyways, back to the vid. So I'm just gonna, oh no, yeah, this is terrible. Okay. Let's see what we got. And I know, guys, I don't have anything to catch any kind of spillage and stuff like that. But honestly, I'm getting rid of this bench too. So at this point, I really don't care. Oh, okay. So this is white. I have a feeling my wife is going to tell me to get this out of here or change the color or something. Yeah, we'll see. There you have it. Something simple, beautiful. All right, gang, that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for sticking around, and make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And please, I'm trying to get to 11,000 subscribers, and I'm about 150 off. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button for a chance to also enter to win that tool set, that CC tool set. Make sure you check it out. It's like, I scratch your back, and no, you scratch my back, and then there's a chance of me scratching your back. And I won't use my actual fingers. I'll use like a brush or a piece of wood, or I'll use this. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is a pretty good back scratcher. All right, take it easy.